It's really gloomy and rainy in Oslo today, and I have brown bananas. And there's only one option when you have brown bananas. So I'm gonna bake some banana bread, and I'm also gonna start a new oil painting. So it's gonna be a super calm, and I'm just gonna kind of enjoy the quiet atmosphere that comes with a rainy day. I actually also have a little visitor here. We are dog sitting the cutest little girl. She's actually quite an old lady, but you would never tell because she's aged well. But she's a little Shiba. She's so cute. She's just watching some Ghibli. But let's start baking. Okay, so I actually have 3 bananas. So I'm wondering if maybe that's enough to make 2 banana breads, which would be amazing, because I want to be the kind of person that always has like a loaf that I can eat for breakfast. Like a carrot loaf or like a lemon poppy seed kind of thing. And a banana bread is obviously a loaf. But I'm gonna weigh them out and see if I can make 2. I'm gonna share the recipe that I use in case it turns out good, we'll see. But yeah, I'm just gonna start by mashing these ones up. This is the first time this spring that it's like the rain isn't gonna turn to ice. Like this winter has been crazy in Norway. The rest of Europe has been like abnormally warm. But in Norway it's been abnormally cold. Like, there are no signs of leaves on the trees even though we're in the middle of April. I hate having to multiply the recipe, I find it so hard. You probably don't know that I actually really love to bake. My mom does, and my grandma does as well, and I guess I kind of picked it up from them. I'm a huge fan of MasterChef Australia, if any of you have seen that. It's the best MasterChef, hands down. I don't like the other ones because they're so... At least I've seen some of the like American one, and they're so competitive. Like, what I like about the Australian one is that everyone is friends, because they kind of realize that as long as you're good, you're gonna keep like going in the competition. You're only competing against yourself in a way. Like the American one, I feel like they celebrate when they get eliminated, like they're contestants. I don't like that. It was about 400 grams of banana, so I'm gonna have to multiply the recipe by 1/3. It says to start by whisking together brown sugar and butter, I think. I just put the butter in the microwave for a second to kind of soften it. Oh! It was eggs, it wasn't butter. Okay, I'm gonna try to mix it again, because this is what it's looking like. Delicious. Because it was eggs, it wasn't butter, and you were supposed to melt the butter and add it later. It's kind of like clumpy with butter right now, but I think that will be fine. I like how I messed up on step 1 of the recipe. It literally says, this is what you do. Step 1, whisk together eggs and sugar. I'm gonna add the bananas. Personally, I am a no nuts in my banana bread kind of girl. Also chocolate chips I don't really like, but actually I think that adding a spoon or two of cocoa powder is so good. Obviously you can do like plant-based milk in this and butter if you want, but If you know Scandinavians, you know that we use milk in everything and we love milk. Also, like when I worked as a barista for almost a year, and I had like a huge oat milk phase. But it just comes to this point where it tastes too oaty, like it's too strong. It says to add baking soda. I don't have that, so we're gonna do baking powder instead. What's really the difference? Is there a difference? Okay, because I put the cocoa batter, it kind of looks like chocolate cake batter. This is it. I'm gonna prepare 2 bread tins. I really hope the butter lumps don't ruin it. It's probably gonna be fine. Oh my god. Here they are. It's looking nice. So I'm just gonna put them in the oven. Look at this baby! He's like a little fox. I'm taking her for a little walk and then I'm going to start a new oil painting, which I'm so excited about because I just got oil paints for my birthday and they're so fun to use. I haven't bought them for myself because they're so expensive, so I'm really happy that I got them. And I also got canvases, so I'm gonna paint my first like medium-sized painting on a canvas and I'm really excited. I think I'm gonna do a foresty type of thing. I really like painting that, so. It's happening! I'm just gonna poke them with a knife to see. Ooh, they look pretty tasty. I think they're both done, actually. The cracks down the center look so good. They're probably only gonna last like 2 days. Come here. Oh, so free! Oh, come here! Yeah. Wow, wow, wow. I know it's not huge, but this is gonna be the biggest canvas that I have painted on yet, so I'm really excited. So I'm just gonna get started and film some of the process. And probably also continue a little bit tomorrow. I'm just about to start and the sun has come out, which really isn't the mood for the kind of painting that I'm gonna do, but it's raining in my heart. It's gonna rain on the painting. So let's get started. Actually, one of my favorite part about working with oils is the mixing process, because they're just so smooth, because there's so much fat in them. The little things that I filled up, it's a painting medium to make it more smooth, and then it's also a fast dry medium so that I don't have to wait for weeks before it dries.